Fuck the room, we got our own way. Bitches, I tell a gang that. They just wanna know where the plays at. Take the low one out of there. Or like, just turn it down. And then I'm gonna probably just go back and double. Yeah. Another one of them albums. Real airy.
Is that a helicopter?
Wake up, drunk, go to sleep.
Oh shit! It is a helicopter!
All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view.
What the fuck did we do?
Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sound, let's consume.
Let's go to the gas station. What the fuck?
Where's it at?
I left there. Oh, it's right there, look. Fuck!
Drive. Go around. Keep driving.
The only thing they could do is have a police like, oh, pull them over and this and that.
Yeah, we didn't do anything bad.
You got a license, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
The
straight.
only thing is I'd get a ticket for it is because as soon as you get your license, you can't have more than one person and all this other bullshit.
Well, I just got my seatbelt on since whatever. Fuck the cops.
Damn, that's tight. This is a Sickkkk video.
Fuck it, serious? There's a cop behind me. I'm parking the car and I'm getting out. Because what are they going to say? We're just here.
Are they still behind us? No, you're good. You're good, Alex. You're good.
Go to AMPM.
Yeah. You stopped with the light. Yeah, you're good. Hell yeah. This is a